I had the opportunity to attend Suzanne Tulien's Be a Better Speaker workshop, and it was fantastic. When I came in, I had this mental block about what it meant to be a speaker. And as a longtime trainer and facilitator, I wanted to be able to put those pieces into practice. And the beauty of Suzanne's training is that she teaches you how to be a trainer-minded speaker. And that literally was the difference for me. I really appreciate Suzanne's instruction and the way in which she allowed us to experience exactly what she was talking about. Her perspective was fresh, new, and fun, and I would highly recommend, if you are thinking about being a speaker or wanting to leverage that particular skill in your business, that you take this workshop. It will be a game changer for you. I'm super excited to put everything that she taught us into practice and be the speaker that I know that I can be.